I got a body. Did you see a state trooper pass by the entrance? So.
Oh, by the entrance. We're good.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that like.
Where are we
stay
going,
quiet and that
bitches?
don't arouse any more suspicion. Why is there QR code here?
I never noticed this. No. Men's room.
FedEx QR.
Is that where you took your shit?
Yes.
I can smell it.
I know.
Is that why you put the desk there?
No, there's another way around.
Oh. Okay. This is the way I could probably just put on my lamp so I can see stuff.
Yes.
I think this is a urinal.
Oh, I haven't been in this room yet.
I don't know why they have this.
Oh, this isn't a urinal. That's a sink.
That's a sink.
Oh my god, I can't believe I never noticed this room the last time.
That's where I took my right now.
Oh.
Actually, it doesn't smell as bad. But dude, there's actual toilet paper in here. Which is why I was like, oh, perfect. Chicken time.
Huh.
Dude, your light illuminates everything.
I know. What is this?
Oh, just got like that.
I found the security system. Oh, look at this. Look at all of these, like, severed Ethernet connectors. Or Ethernet cables. Man, that is so neat. There's some, like, old school rack. Actually, I totally might end up wanting to take that. Is that a switch?
Is this a switch? I have no idea.
We found some really cool stuff. Check that out.
Hey, look, it's our room.
Look in there.
What the?
Come on.
This must be, like, security equipment.
Probably.
I want to get this down. I am almost certain that this is a computer. What is this? Man, this is fascinating. Universal Video Selector. It's definitely. It's fine.
Does it open?
Yeah, it's a. I see. All right. Well, when we're.
Is this a legit computer?
I think it's a storage device or NAS. But here, let's take this into the room with all the rest of the data stuff, and I'll examine this while you guys are examining the data. So while we examine some data, we can take a look in there. We might find some hard drives in there.
I was thinking about bringing my laptop so I could start doing some of this stuff, but.
Oh, and just so you know, I already transferred all the files off of the off of those excuse me, those
Discs.
CDs.
Oh, so I was looking on YouTube for this place, and I only found one video that was actually covering it. And they were talking about the rock, like you know those big moats that we found, like those like water trenches. Those were actually used for when they were launching rockets to absorb most of the like the fuel exposure, like fuel. What's the word? Excrement or something.
Oh, like when
So,
when it shoots all that smoke out the bottom. Oh,
So it would go into that, and it would dissipate a lot better.
Oh,
Yeah,
so that's why
I
it's
know.
built over top. Interesting.
So that's why they're like, I was like, there's no reason for them to build a boat in there.
So what we need to do is we need to collect all of the CDs this time.
All right, let me pull out the bag.
Yeah, and if you run out of space, I have more space. But I want to grab them all.
Oh, I also brought the attic keys.
So interestingly, I found the plans for when they were going to examine what's going on here. I'm sorry, that was a poor way of wording that. Basically, they know that there was toxic waste here, and the EPA ordered that they try to figure out what kind of waste exactly we were dealing with. So I found some huge PDF documents as to what they had to do and the procedure associated with it. But what I'm really hoping to find is the documents that actually state what they found, because it's not entirely specific. Oh, thank you. Let's see. These option cards are pretty cool. It's got like a big Ethernet. system concentrator tri-channel architecture. Fan, backup power supply, primary power supply. Huh. It's so nice having the light right on it too. Yeah, so you could definitely pull an option card out. That shouldn't be hard at all.
I'm just wondering if I'll be able to see a way through here.
Wow, those are huge option cards.
Do we want to store these somewhere? Or
I'm not particular. I definitely don't want to take them, but.
And these are for the Cat 5 or Ether?
It's EtherCon. Cat 5 is the cable associated with Ethernet.
Malta Rocket.
Oh, so when I was able to grab one CD from yesterday.
You did what?
I was able to grab one CD from yesterday, and it was kind of the report plan on it. Very cool. Very interesting.
Well, I don't see any. I don't see any storage devices in here. There's no hard drive or anything. So I don't really know what this is.
That's kind of cool.
Let's go grab that other piece of equipment we saw and see if there's anything in there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get that. So this is the other device. We're not sure what this is. Again, probably some kind of security device.
You know what I found on the other CD, Will?
What's that?
When I was looking at it, I found plans for an Exit 11A.
I found that, yeah.
I was just like,
What's-
holy cow.
Wait a minute, hold on, what did you find? Because what I found was statistical documents.
It wasn't a statistical document, it was more of a proposal.
Oh, okay, so I want to see your documents,
Right.
because what my documents, they were all the statistics saying why they should do that.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it was 200 pages long determining all of the traffic flow. So now I want to see your documents bad, because that, oh man, that's so
$85,000.
interesting.
For what?
I don't know.
Just a check report?
I don't know. 85 grand. A lot of money. Oh. That's $2 million in general something. What you doing?
What? What? At the building. Great. Please. Oh, dude, there's no power here.
I know.
The breakers are literally stripped. Oh, that's a nice one.
What are you doing? This is a lot of stuff.
That's a big ass hole. Oh, that's.
I'm trying to take this apart.
$102.
Just have it here.
What are you doing?
My findings aren't as interesting as I thought they would be, unfortunately. It just kind of looks like a board with some surface mount hardware. It's like a big duffel bag here. Looks like a drug bag.
Have you explored any other buildings over here?
I tried to one that was across the street from here.
Check out these little handles here. I wonder what these were used for. Getting like, oh, check that out. Huh.
I'm trying not to bolt this, considering maybe it's just at least not to take too long. Whoa! Holy shit.
Find something interesting?
That's weird. Look at this.
It's a map. I've never seen somebody open a knife so violently.
This is Saratoga Lake. They had this whole place planned out.
I would hope they found it out.
It's crazy.
There's some razor blades just kind of sitting here. Who knows why? So there's a thing up here. There's like a little door. And what we got to do is figure out how to get into it. I don't remember seeing that door when we went in the attic the other way.
Yeah, I think it's the main street. We're pretty close to it. Anyone drop these right behind the dumpster? Come back there and open that up.
Oh, I don't know if you can get in through there. There's another way to get in, though. You can definitely get in from behind here.
Oh, that's actually a little garage right over there, and you can open up the door.
Oh, yeah, we opened it the other day. Yeah, me and Cameron opened it up. So you can climb through there, and then there's a big warehouse in there. Let's see if I can open this. This looks like a chimney of some kind. It's really jammed up. This room in particular that we're in right now has some acoustic treatment in it. So you may notice in the audio of this video that there's a significant improvement in the acoustics. And as I walk into this room, you can hear the acoustics suddenly get much worse. These huge fuse panels. Looks like somebody left their jacket here at some point. Wonder how old that is.
Want back?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I got hose. That, I swear that wasn't here the last time we were here. Oh, look, there's another fire extinguisher. Oh, look at all these, look at like these hydraulic lines or airlines or
More of that glass.
who knows.
That glass is crazy.
There's these really, really super thick glass windows here. Lead us to believe that some serious testing went on in here, but we're not quite sure what variety of testing. Some of these buttons are really fun to push. Or what the heck are these? Must be like it's a transformer.
I try the rusted part maybe. This is why I like big bolt cutters. It's going, kind of.
This is a heavy lock.
Oh, he's through. That should be enough to get the lock off.
Again, take notes, kids. A lock is only as strong as its weakest chain. In this case, there's the weakest part. Alright, hopefully we can get this bastard open.
Another fire extinguisher.
Doesn't smell good in here. Look at how thick these frickin' windows are.
So these buildings here actually get used for storage. I looked in them before. So we're not breaking into them. That's a real misdemeanor.
Some of these buildings still get used for commercial storage purposes. A lot of heavy equipment parked here too, like this truck.
Fire extinguisher.
Really? Man, what is this place with fire extinguishers? So this is totally, I've never been this far this way. This is totally just a through road because there's a stop sign over there. So I bet most of the traffic that we see coming through here is literally just through traffic. Luke, what are you doing? Oh.
It's very interesting though. What the fuck? Somebody had a wardrobe malfunction. Oh, these little kind of like hut, metal, certain huts. A lot of them that I found, especially over there, go underground.
Oh yes, I remember that, but some of them are they're blocked off. Oh, I totally forgot about this actually. Ooh, doesn't smell too good up down here. Actually, it looks like if we... Oh, it's screwed.
Yeah, it's screwed.
Oh, that should be really easy to take care of. You could cut through those real easy. Oh, there's a ton of condensation in there. Huh. was thinking this was good. Oh, okay. Well, look at all of these filing cabinets, man.
Yeah, it's really cold underground. Well, there's a way to get out.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Wonder if any of these still have anything in them.
Filing cabinets?
Yeah. I will not be climbing up there. I will be going out the other way. Oh.
I like how, who was it? I totally forgot.
The camera for you when you come up?
Sure. Oh, this is good going. These look like designer cardboard boxes. This building over here appears to be used for salt storage. I have no idea what this building is used for, though. It's got something growing up there, huh? I wonder how that happens. Maybe it was intentional to hide the place from enemy bombs, or maybe it just happened by some freak of nature. Or erosion. Oh, wow.
Where do you see all this stuff?
Oh, my. Luke, come here. This is the coolest room we've found yet. Holy crap. Oh, my God, no. This is fascinating. Look at all these. Look at all these, like, dual quarter-inch cables.
Whoa, fucking hell. On the other side, there's a whole nother, not panel.
Look at this. If you know audio, then you know what this does. You could use this for your guitar if your guitar had 2 quarter-inch ports for some reason. I wonder why that's not focusing. Look at all of those cables.
Oh, these knobs are...
There's so many of them. All these knobs.
Nowhere.
Look at that. Man. All these switches.
So much fun to turn.
Oh, dude. Look at these massive quarter-inch switchboards. Oh, man. You know, I kind of...
This is a idea.
Oh, this rack-mounted hardware.
I'm curious.
How long is it? Yep.
Ah, table chairs. Oh, my.
About that long.
Wonder what this room was used for. I mean, obviously, it's some kind of AV technology. Oh, look at all these XLR cables. Anything cool?
No, it was cold. There's another one of those big switchboards.
There's another board over here, it looks like.
And a chair.
Oh, this rack mount hardware is incredible.
You can run wires from upstairs.
Man, oh, all these wires here. Man, it don't smell too good up here, though. Oh, look, there's a bird's nest up there. Oh, that didn't sound very good. Look at that. Oh, do you guys want to see some shells?
Shelves?
Shells, like bombs.
Like missile shells.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, there's a bunch of them lying on the ground over here.
Whoa. Shit, that thing's fucking heavy.
If you look carefully, you might be able to find some of... I don't know if these are live, but if you look carefully, you might be able to find some of the material that was inside of them. Some of them still have... I don't know what it is, but some of them have this clay material inside of them. I don't know if that's like an explosive or whatnot, but... What? I saw him. He gave me kind of a dirty look. Hey, your leg is cut.
Yeah, I know. That's authorized vehicles only.
We're not a vehicle.
Correct.
Yeah, this particular landscape is significantly more beautiful than the surrounding ones. It seems like it's recovered from winter a little more quickly. Oh wow, look at that. I didn't even see that building. There's a big compound over there. Oh wow, this is taller than I thought. Have you been in this one yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh.
This will be the first time for all of us here. Sorry guys if I point the camera in a bad direction. I'm focusing on not falling down. This metal is pretty sketchy. If it were to bust. See, look at that. That's scary. The railing just stops. Holy crap. I hope this building is really sturdy.
Dude,
What?
we're right next to Global Foundries. Yeah.
Let's see. I don't want to step on this. Oh yeah, I'm not stepping on that. This looks like maybe an area where a missile was stored. I don't really know much about missile technology, but as you can see, there's a bunch of water under here, which was more than likely used to take on all of the waste particles that come when a rocket is
So it would not
tested.
recommend swimming.
Yeah, probably not a great idea. I gotta say, one thing I like about this is a little sturdier than some of the other buildings we've climbed, or at least it feels that way. Wow. This is absolutely terrifying. Oh, look at this. What's with all the sticks? Yeah, this is definitely, you can see this wide open space here. And then below there, there's that little spot there. That must have been where the launch, where the rockets launched from. Same thing over here. You can see Global Foundries way off in the distance over there. I haven't seen it up close in years. It's a huge building. We're not even on the top floor yet. Man, I'm glad all these stairs are so sturdy. Holy mackerel. At this point, if we want to go up higher, we gotta hit a ladder. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Luke, where you at? Where? I think he's on the roof. How do you get up there? Must have to climb this. Oh God, you're right about that. Oh. This is, oh my God, look at that winch. Oh, it's not showing. Oh, there it goes. That is a crazy looking winch. Luke, where are you?
Oh my God.
How did you get to the roof? Is this a... Oh. Is this how you got to the roof? On the outside of the building?
Oh my God, look down.
Hold on, can you move real quick?
Yeah.
I just want to get
I
him.
will gladly stand on this.
Oh my... So this is how you get to the roof, and then this is what happens if you don't get to the roof. I'm more concerned about the fact that can you get up from there? All right, guys, I'm leaving the camera here. I'm gonna use my phone for the final part here. So we are on the roof. These are the doors that the missiles would come out of on the phone because there's no way I was gonna be able to carry a gimbal. Oh yeah, they're all biking. That looks like actually a really fun place to go biking. I want to check out this building next down here because it looks like it might have some interesting stuff in it. Oh boy.
I know. Probably like 7. Hey, I connected to Global Foundries guest Wi-Fi from here.
This is absolutely insane. All right, now I'm gonna climb on top of this. No, no, that would be really stupid. I want to drop something off of there and see what happens to it.
You need to bring a lock. A lock? For what?
Goes up even goes up on the roof, but it's terrible. It's a very far.
I want to take a look at the water. Oh wow, that's not sturdy. So this must have been where the rockets, or this is underneath it actually, but guys, look at this. So there's this little area under here. This is where all the material from the rocket goes. Wow, this is really sketchy. I do not want to fall into this water. But here, I'm not going out on there because I just don't want to, but these are like the access areas to access these little spots under there. So I dropped this water bottle from the top, and lo and behold, it is still in.
Oh, there's our first sign.
It is still in one piece. And focus. There it goes.
I mean, if you like variety, sure. But... Throw it down the hole.
That's where we were. Might have to make a battery change here soon, but I'm excited to check this building out.
That's not, dude, you have to go so far back in order to get the entire...
I can't believe how small this building looked from the top of that building.
Go ahead.
Oh, if you're coming in, watch out for the wire. Oh, wow, look at this giant thick door. Oh. Oh. There's no way that's at full brightness. There we go. More switch panels and more wires. This is probably where they ran the tests for those rockets.
There's a tick right on my leg.
There's a tick right on your leg?
Yeah. The nice thing about having shorts is you can feel them.
Oh, yeah. More switch panels. 1/4 inch, and then some ancient form of XLR. Probably predates the current version. Weird. And some of this has been kind of destroyed, whether by, oh, check this out. 3-position switches. Nice detent on there. Gate. Oh. Oh. We're about to have some fun, huh? Do we have rope?
There's some.
No, this building's not in great shape. Okay, that's not too much. This is the first drywall I've seen anywhere around here. Really odd architecture. Wow, this is in bad shape. This is all natural, it looks like. Okay, I'm not walking through there. That's cool. It's like a, huh.
Ooh. I kind of want to throw it in the parking lot and just have people be confused forever.
Keep closed.
This.
I don't know. There's an easier entrance to get in, Luke.
I mean, it's locked.
Oh, is this a separate? Yeah, you can actually see everything in this. Although I wonder what's in that big chest there. Hello. Oh.
This is one of their control systems.
Got big pipes and wires here. There's a lot of wire in there. And then I think it was shut down in the 80s. Maybe a little earlier.
There's a lot of
than that.
reports though in 2009. I think that was a lot of Global Foundry reports.
Yeah, exactly. That's all businesses. But this had been, you know how I said I found that report where the EPA was looking through this abandoned area? Mm-hmm. It was abandoned before, that was from 1999.
Wow.
So yeah, this has been under investigation for a long time. And that going up there. I feel like my skin is kind of like crawling. I feel like I've got some tick on me, but whenever I look, all right. So. There's nothing in there.